Sometimes you may get an array, but you just want the numbers to be shifted at random. So if we go under the array and shuffle 1D array and plug our array in, and we hit run, our order got shuffled. And if we keep running this, the order is random. It is a pseudo-random order though, and not completely random. Same thing can be done with the two-dimensional array, and that's found under arrays and then shuffle 2D array. Now, same thing would happen as we run this, the order keeps getting shuffled. Same thing with the 1D array. The 2D array is also a pseudo-random order. So a unique thing is, notice that these blocks are both orange, and if we look at the array, most of them are all this yellow color. They're also tagged with a .vim. So we can actually double click on these, and it pulls up this front panel of what this block is. So our shuffle 2D array. We can go to Windows, show block diagram, and then it pops up the back panel for this particular node. So this is what it's doing under the hood. These nodes are found in newer versions of LabVIEW. I'm using 2018. I don't recall them being in 2017 or 2016, but I might have those messed up. So that's how you can shuffle an array, either a 1D or a 2D. So it can come in handy if you're picking out random sample data types or anything you need to be selected in random in an array. So hope this is helpful, and stay tuned for more.